So if you installed a font like this, install for all users, select it, and then went ahead and looked for it, you would click it and nothing happens. The thing is, you need to make a separate folder and put the file in there. So we're going to make a folder and I'm going to call it fonts. It can be called anything else. We're going to put the file inside the fonts folder. And we're going to go up to edit, to preference, and then go to file path. And then go up here and change this to where the location is of the folder. For me, it's on the desktop, fonts, accept. Don't forget to press save preference. And now when I go back to looking for the font and I will select it, as you can see, it's now inside of Blender. And I would recommend putting every new font you have inside of that folder.